Hi loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, it's going to be like this mermaid inspired kind of look. I have not been on YouTube clearly in what feels like forever. We're not gonna get like too much into like the reasons or anything like that. We're actually not gonna get into it at all, but I'm back and I was really nervous for today's video. I'm not gonna lie, because I feel like it's been forever and a day since I've done an eyeshadow look. So yeah, I didn't want to come back on YouTube, just pop out, out of nowhere and just give you guys like a boring look or a subtle look. Like, I tried to said I was gonna do like a date night look or like a just a base makeup look, but I'm just like, no, like I haven't posted a video in a minute. I just want to, pop out. So yeah, I did something really dramatic. I was really nervous for today's video because I've not done eyeshadow in forever. So I just had to tell myself, listen, like God gave me this gift at a very young age, and this is not something that I'm just going to like lose. This is something that's with me forever. So I was just like, let me just suck it up and do the eyeshadow. I was really nervous, you guys. Like, this was even supposed to be a talk through video, but I'm just like, you know what, no, my nerves are just too bad to be able to talk to you guys while I'm doing my makeup. I really need to just sit and focus. So it came out really nice. It's not like anything too spectacular. I really love the color scheme. That was my main goal, was just to get this kind of color scheme. I wanted to do like something purple and blue and like half and half basically. So the first half is purple and then the second half is blue on both eyes. So yeah, you guys, so for my next video I will be posting a in-depth tutorial on how I do my base makeup. So with that being said, I did not include it in today's video, so hope you guys don't mind. But yeah, the main focus of the look was the eyes anyway. I know it probably says it in the title, but I'll just go over the things that I've used. So I used my Glamlite palette. This is the I believe this is the second one. They do have the first one and it's way bigger, but I like this one more. I just like the undertones of these shades a lot better. And then I used a couple of shades in this palette as well, but the main focus is this palette. And I did use a couple of shades in the Huda Beauty lilac, the pastels lilac palette. So yeah, so everything that I use in today's video will be on the screen. So yeah, just like normal pretty much, we just getting back in the swing of things. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.
Alrighty, boys and girls, so we're gonna get right into it. So I'm taking my MAC NC45 Studio Finish Concealer. I use that to carve out my brows, and as you can see, I'm taking this buffer brush and I'm just blending it down to my eyelids. Then next I'm going to be going in with my Juvia's Place eyeshadow base in the shade number 2, I believe. And I'm going to be blending that out, making sure it's evenly distributed across my eyelids and everything like that. And then I'm going to be going in with my favorite beauty sponge by e.l.f. Cosmetics and just blending that out. Alright, so I'm going in with my Glamlite paint palette, and the first shade that I'm going to be taking is Orchid right there. I wasn't trying to like flick y'all off. I was just trying to show y'all the shade. I noticed that I had like my fingers every goddamn where, and I know y'all was going to be like, oh girl, what color is you using? Like what? So yeah, that's why I did that. But yes, so as you can see in the thumbnail and of course the beginning of the video, I wanted to keep the purple in like, like the first half, and then, the blue in the second half. But yeah, so I just decided to pack on that shade in the first half, and I'm just, blending that out. Then, well, god dang, slow down. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all, I'm sorry. So as y'all can see, I had to get myself together. But yeah, so I went into the shade that y'all seen on the screen. I don't know what the shade is right now, but when I finish editing, then yeah, that's the shade that I goddamn it use. So yeah, I'm just putting that. So these are my transition shades, obviously. So yeah, I'm just buffing that into my transition area. And yeah, so I'm just, packing on the shade, getting into the intensity that I would like. And I'm just yeah, just blending it together and everything, making the edges nice and round. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing, y'all. That's that's it. All right, so I'm going in with dark violet next, and I'm just slowly building up the depth of the purple eyeshadow. Not too much, like you can barely tell a difference for real, but I just wanted it to be like really gradual. So that's why I started off with that shade, and then I'll later on go in with a deeper shade for the purple. All right, and then I'm going to be deepening up the blue side now. I'm going to be taking that shade Azure. And yeah, y'all, I'm just doing basically the same thing, but I'm bringing it lower because, yeah, we want to deepen up that crease, get it nice and diffused and just nice and defined. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing that. And then later on, I had went in with the transition shades and just buffed out the outer edges. Okay, you guys, and the last shade that I'm going to be taking to deepen up the purple is Indigo. And I just slightly deepened up the crease because, like I said, later on I'm going to be taking a smaller detail brush and defining it even more later on. So yeah. So after I did that, I went into those two shades and I blended them in my outer corner. And yeah, y'all, I just made sure that shit was nice and blended. Okay. And then after that, I believe, what did I do? Y'all? I think I deepened up the purple a little bit more with that small detail brush, and then I went into cutting the crease. Okay. All right, y'all, so for this part, I did not speed up because I really wanted you guys to pay attention to how I slowly, gradually, okay, cut my crease. So I feel like that's one of the key things in cutting your crease. You want to start off kind of small. I mean, like, I don't really have much lid space anyway, so yeah, you just want to start off small first and then slowly build your way up, okay? So, and I'm gonna just go ahead and point this out right now as well. I have a tendency to not make my cut creases the same, like look the same. So my other eye is going to be slightly lower than the one that I'm doing now. So yeah, just a little disclaimer, like I'm trying to work on it. It's just, I don't know. I don't know what to tell y'all. Okay. I really don't. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing with that. And then I'm going to be blending out the edges and, you know what I'm saying, getting it all nice and blended. Then I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. No, I lied. This is the pastel one. And I'm going to be using those two lid shades. And as you can see, look at that definition, y'all. Like, once I cut the crease and really like built up that definition with that shade, that indigo shade, you can really tell how it just looks more defined and the crease looks a lot more sharp. So yeah, so as y'all can see, I'm just building on those two shades and everything. And yeah. So after I had finished packing on that lid shade, I went in with the shade Orchid and just put it on the outer edges just to give it more of like a gradient kind of look, you know, make things blend a lot better. I actually really like how it turned out looking. Like when I put that purple shade on the outer edges, I don't know, it's just really nice. It gave like a little nice ombre effect, you know, on the edges of my cut crease. So yeah, I end up going in with my bulk glitters, chunky glitter in the shade Blushes Pink. And as you can see, I was just checking to see if I needed to add more, take any away or anything like that on my other phone. So yeah, it gave like a little extraness, you know what I'm saying? It was real cute. So yeah, so I think after this, I just went ahead and started on the other eye for real. And then yeah, I kind of like really sped through that, because I mean it's the same damn thing I just did on the other eye. So yeah. All right, you guys, and then I went in with some mascara, but then I decided last minute that I wanted to do some, like, you know, little graphic line or whatever. So I went in with my Glamlite, what is it called? These water activated liners, that's what it is. Yeah, so I went in with that, and yeah, you guys, and I'm sorry I kind of got out of frame. I had to get really close because obviously this is something I have to be real strategic about, you know, take my time. So yeah, after that I just popped on the lashes, and then girl, child, that was it for real. So yeah, you guys, I'm just so freaking happy I'm back on the tube. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really hope that you guys recreate it. And yeah, like, I don't really got really much to say. Oh yeah, a little disclaimer. So when I do like my little outro, whatever, my little slow shots, all, you know, my dramatic shots and stuff like that, the lighting completely changed because I did it at a totally different time in a day. So yeah, I apologize about that. I'm still trying to figure out this lighting and everything. But yes, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this look and this video. I hope that it was informative and you learned something. I'm gonna just let the rest of the video play out. And yes, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. That way you are always aware when I upload a video. And yes, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.